Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel that is No Punch. Here I am going to tell you how you can get a free course and free placement in Pune. For this you do not have to pay money or any hidden charges. Friends, this is not a joke, it's true. Here I will show you some information so that you could believe me. For that you have to watch this small video till the end. Friends, you are living in Pune and you want to do something in your life, but because of some financial condition you could not do that. You are young and fresher but confused what to do in your life. You want to guidance. So answer to all this question is Lighthouse. In this video I am going to give you information about Lighthouse organization. Lighthouse Lighthouse is an organization that not only promotes the career of young boys and girls in Pune but also helps them to get a job. Lighthouse is run by both Pune Municipal Corporation and Pune City Connect. Friends, Lighthouse operate on non-profit basis. The main objectives of Lighthouse project is to provide disadvantaged boys and girls in Pune with the opportunities to hone their skills and pursue meaningful career in their life. Now disadvantaged or deprived means one who is not financially strong, no matter who is. The most important thing is that you are not charged anything at the beginning or later for the registering in Lighthouse. This is the public-private partnership which is run with the collaboration with the government, corporates, NGO and citizens. Here they try to give you free training and sustainable job. So the next question is, who can join the Lighthouse? The first thing is that you are the young between the age 18 and 13. You can join even if you are a housewife. Those who are from the outside village but lives in Pune, like a student. There is no condition for education but age limitation is there. So now, how the Lighthouse help us? When you register for a Lighthouse, Lighthouse work in 3 phases. First is foundation course, second is counseling and market exploration, third is skill training. The entire program is designed so that participants have their sense of space, freedom and creativity within them, as well as they can discover their strength and interest. So let's see what is a foundation course. Foundation course is of 20 days in which you taught how to do a group discussion, stage daring, English speaking, self-confidence as well as your personality development. Second is counseling and market exploration. If you are confused about your future career, here are some tips to get started so that you can choose your area of interest. It informs the youth about the career path and opportunities to various industries. During the foundation course, students evaluate themselves to track their progress. A young person professional program only after the foundation course chooses who understand their skills, interest and market realities. Young people are encouraged to choose area of skill based on their dreams and aspiration. Skills training. Lighthouse offer 33 skill courses from 21 partners organization, including IT courses also, like computer programming, designing, as well as other courses like tailoring, nursing, beauty parlor are included in it. In addition, you have the opportunity to choose your course of your choice. At the same time, after completing your course, you are given an interview and internship. This is how Lighthouse help you. Friends, Lighthouse has 7 branches in Pune. First is in Aundh, which is a headquarter of Lighthouse. Second is Yerwada Lighthouse. Third is Hadapsar Lighthouse. Fourth is Bhawanipet Lighthouse. Fifth is Warje Lighthouse. Sixth is Bibewadi Lighthouse. And seventh is Tigre Lighthouse. Once again friends, I want to tell you that for registering in Lighthouse, you do not have to pay any type of charges. So friends, if you want to know more about the Lighthouse, so you can contact them on a given number as well as you can comment in the below section. Friends, if you like my video, so please click on the like button, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to know more about such kind of information. And one most important thing is that please share this video with your friends and with the needy people, so you can bring change in their life. Thank you for watching this video.